Welcome to my channel. Today we will exercise in standing for 10 minutes. You can use light weights as dumbbells or nothing. Standing exercises are great for strength, but also helps to improve stability and balance. If you are ready, let's get moving. Then right arm, holding weight or without weight, up to you. Lifting up, bend, lift, ankle, lift, up, left, ankle, tap, up, bend. That long leg, foot, heavy. You're stretching that side. Up, bend, up, bend. Last bend. Now changing hand. Other hand, dumbbell or without. Lifting, bending, right ankle, tap. Up, tap. That for right side, bending because that knee, squats, but other side, stretching. Up, bend, up, bend. Squeeze that right glutes. Last one, tap, and little bring feet hip width apart. Little wider than hip width apart actually, not much. Changing hand again on with dumbbell or without. You lift, bend, foot up, lower, lift, bend, opposite foot, up, bend, up, bend. Breathe in, breathe out. Last one, tap, changing dumbbell or without dumbbells. Up again, bend again, lift, lower, up, bend, tap. Up, bend. Little engaging core when you're crunching in. Up, bend. Core exercise in standing. What else do you want? Tap. Lazy exercise for core. Up, bend, tap. Last one. Tap and rest. Little shake your legs. Now both arms. Feet hip width apart, both arms you're lifting, maybe with dumbbells, they are touching each other. One knee tap and up. Tense core, that's for balance. Up, tap, up, up. One more, up. In a minute, we will challenge this. Up holding, lift up, tap. Lift up, tap. Last one, tap. Lift arms, lower leg, other leg. Up, up, hold. Now tap, up, tap, up. One side will be more stronger or weaker, that's normal. Last, up, then lower. Now shake again or kick back. Little for hamstring. Big wide opening again. I wish I had a kettlebell today. They are good for this one now we would do. Yes, easy to hold them, that's why. Or with dumbbells or without, up to you again. So you will lift both arms, bending your knees like swinging one. Lift up again. Upright again. Breathe out. Keep back. Yeah, up. Up. Just for her. Otherwise, we can leave it hunch, but that hunching not for everyone. Squeeze glutes. You're cutting wood for Christmas coming soon. Still, we have how many months? Fine. Time passed so quick. Wood for Christmas. One more. Up. Last one. Up. Now you want that. Right leg. Big step back. big step back. First, shoulders, hip, and that right knee will be same line when you're bending your knee. Up. So finding your balance to knee down but parallel, not spine forward. Shoulders back, bend, up. Put all your strength on that back leg, quads. Breathe out, breathe in. Next one, up, shoulders, no shoulders, arms back. Bend your knees, find your balance, because this will change your balance. Forward, squeeze triceps when you're sending arms back. Forward, back again. Knees again. One more. Next one, arms, backhand, holding, now pulsing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your knees again. Up, back, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last set. Up. Then upright, pull back in, shake your legs. It is hard. Now other leg. Legs, upper body, triceps, everything. Other leg back. First, bend your knees, shoulders more back, Lisa. Keep yourself upright and back. Like you're pushing everything back on the knee forward. One more. Next one, arms back. Bend your knees again, find your balance. Arms, knees, knees, squeeze triceps. Slow, no rush, otherwise you will only swing if you do fast. Back, forward. Next, arms backhand, holding for pulsing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your knees again. Up, back. Last, forward again, last set. Back, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last set, upright, pull back in. Everything. Now we need fresh air a little bit. See, we worked hard. For triceps, one more and last one. Palms facing back, your little bending knees, but you can see my posture, I'm not hunching, shoulders back, bum back, then bend, not bend the elbows, palms facing back, then pulse, in, back, in. Small movement, but squeezing your armpits. So then you will not swing arms. In, in, tummy, in, 4, in, 3, in, 2, more, 1, more, backhand holding, now pulsing more, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, down hold, one more last set, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down, and up, shake again.